Ford is signaling a powerful shift in its Super Duty truck lineup, with strong indications pointing towards the introduction of hybrid technology, potentially including a 2027 Ford F250 hybrid. While official specifications and a concrete release date remain under wraps, industry reports and Ford's strategic announcements suggest a new era of efficiency and capability is dawning for the heavy-duty segment. As of early 2025, Ford has not made a formal announcement detailing a specific 2027 Ford F250 hybrid model. However, the automotive giant has been vocal about its commitment to electrifying its vehicle portfolio. Ford has stated its goal to offer hybrid powertrain options across its Ford Blue internal combustion engine lineup by 2030. This ambitious plan strongly suggests that the workhorse Super Duty series, including the popular F250, is in line for a hybrid evolution. Gearing up for multi-energy Super Duty trucks. Key developments point to a hybrid Super Duty in the near future. Ford is retooling its Oakville assembly complex in Canada to produce next-generation Super Duty trucks. Crucially, this facility is being prepared to handle multi-energy technologies, a term widely interpreted to include hybrid systems. This strategic move aligns with reports suggesting that the next major redesign for the Super Duty lineup, anticipated around the 2028 model year with a possible mid-cycle refresh in 2026, will feature these advanced powertrains. Extended Range Electric Vehicle EREV technology on the horizon. Ford is reportedly developing a sophisticated plug-in hybrid system, potentially an extended range electric vehicle EREV configuration for its larger trucks and SUV. This innovative approach would typically involve an electric motor primarily driving the wheels, with a gasoline engine acting as a generator to recharge the battery. Such a system could offer an EV-like driving experience for daily commutes or shorter trips, relying solely on electric power. Substantial all-electric range, reducing reliance on gasoline for many driving scenarios. An impressive total range, potentially around 700 miles when combining battery and gasoline power, alleviating range anxiety. Maintained or enhanced towing and payload capabilities, critical for Super Duty users. Ford CEO Jim Farley has highlighted the potential of EREV technology to provide an electric driving feel without a significant price premium and with the flexibility of a gasoline range extender for longer journeys or demanding tasks. Some reports suggest this EREV powertrain could begin appearing in Ford's larger vehicles as early as 2027. What could a hybrid F250 offer? While powertrain specifics are speculative at this stage, a hybrid F250 could draw inspiration from existing Ford hybrid technology, such as the 3.5L PowerBoost V6 found in the F150, possibly re-engineered for heavy-duty applications. Another rumored possibility for an EREV Super Duty is the use of Ford's robust Coyote V8 engine as the range-extending generator. One of the most anticipated benefits of a hybrid F250 would be a significantly more potent version of Pro Power Onboard. Currently, the gasoline Super Duty offers up to 2.0 kilowatts of exportable power. A hybrid system could boost this output dramatically, potentially mirroring or exceeding the 7.2 kilowatts available on the F150 PowerBoost hybrid. This would be a game changer for contractors needing to power tools at a job site or for recreational users looking to power campers and equipment. The road ahead. While the exact 2027 Ford F250 hybrid nameplate and its detailed specifications are yet to be confirmed by Ford, the trajectory is clear. Ford is actively pursuing hybrid solutions for its Super Duty trucks. Consumers can anticipate a future F250 that blends the rugged capability and V8 power they expect with the added benefits of electric-assisted performance, improved fuel efficiency, though official figures are far from release, and significantly enhanced onboard power generation. The automotive landscape is rapidly evolving, and Ford appears poised to ensure its heavy-duty trucks remain at the forefront of innovation, offering customers a compelling blend of traditional strength and forward-thinking technology in the coming years. Likely within the 2026 to 2028 timeframe, truck enthusiasts and fleet operators alike will be watching closely for official announcements from Ford as the future of the Super Duty line, including a potential F250 hybrid, takes shape.